function is important. So what is function? Functions are the fundamental building block of any application in JavaScript. So there you go with the function keyword and the name of the function and the parameter list x comma y, and here you have to perform the operation. This is a named function because name is assigned, and you can call this function a number of times. This is the basic use of function. Reuse the code inside the application, anywhere you can use it. Only you have to check the whether it is accessible inside the that file or outside the file. Outside the file also you can access it. This is called as a module in Angular. That is only export keyword, here you have to add it, so that is exportable. So we will see that also at the time of Angular component. Okay, and now here is an anonymous function. So let my add is equal to function x comma y, and this is the name is not available for that function, that's why it is an anonymous function, and you are returning the value return x plus y, and this return value is assigned to the my add. So drawback of the anonymous function is you cannot call those functions multiple times because there is certain limitations for that kind of things. Second is advantage is its syntax is very optimized. In a single line you can write the function definition, and the rule for anonymous function is when you have to declare anonymous function, if your code is very shorter code, then you can go with the anonymous. If your code is very longer code, that means number of instructions inside the functions are more, then you go with the named function, don't go with the anonymous function. So we will look to this demo for anonymous and normal functions. So you declare it function add x comma y, okay, and here you are returning the value x plus y. So can I declare like this, result equal to add into bracket, can I pass like this, right, and I can print the result. Result, and you append the string. Okay, compile the code. You can use a CLS also and clear command also to clear the screen. Both commands are applicable. Now the command is for compilation, first program.ts, and then node runtime environment, and you have to execute your JavaScript file. Sorry, this is not saved. So look here, it's a dot, right? So I press Ctrl S, so now it is saved, and now again compile it. And then run the JavaScript file. Look at result is 30. Is it okay? So it is named function, right? Now go with the anonymous function. So this is calling the name function. Now you go with the anonymous function, and here you go with the variable result to is equal to, you go with the function, and here the parameters are there, n1 comma n2, the body is here, so return n1 plus n2. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now how we will call it, right? That is the thing. Okay. So I will try. So result to bracket t. Console dot log and then result 2. Okay. So I save this. Try to compile it. So it is compiled. Okay. So it is not showing me the result. Okay, so we have to use a let, don't use a where. Yes, that was the problem. Otherwise it is okay. So you can call like this. So this variable you can use here, and here you give a function call. So that function call basically is given for the anonymous function. Okay, so always remember, anonymous function you have to write only where the instructions are very less. Don't write the multiple instruction inside the anonymous function. This is not a proper way to do this. Anonymous is works like an inline in a C++, or you can go with the Java having an anonymous, sorry, lambda expression. Java having a lambda expression. So in a TypeScript we have again an anonymous function. This is useful syntax in JavaScript also. This is very useful syntax. Most of the programming also using this kind of functions, anonymous functions. Maybe in a Python also this type of things are available. I'm not sure about this. You have to just confirm it. But there something is available. Okay. Because it is useful feature. Most of the time we are binding the small instructions using the anonymous functions, and the code is optimized. That is the advantage. It is very short code. Look, the above syntax and this syntax, the thing is same. In above function you are doing the same thing. Here you are again calling, then you are printing. Here a single line, the second line is used for just printing the result. Okay, that is the thing. Any doubt in the function, named function and anonymous function? Here you can go with like this also. Here you can define the type also, number. It's a number, but if you define the type number, compulsory you have to pass a number. Okay, if you are not defining anything, then you can pass anything. But if you pass anything, very important thing is what type of operations you are doing inside the function. You have to go through that. Here you are doing the addition. You don't pass the string and integer. It's not doing it. It will append and it will show you the output. So that is the another thing. Okay.